Imagine you are deep in the wilderness as the last rays of sunlight disappear behind the trees. The forest grows quieter with every passing second, and suddenly, a rare bird lands on a distant branch for only a brief moment. You quickly raise your camera, but your autofocus hesitates. The burst speed cannot keep up, and before you can capture the perfect frame, the bird is gone. It is the kind of missed opportunity that every wildlife photographer remembers for years. Moments like these prove that success is not always about carrying the biggest camera or the largest sensor. Instead, it is about having a system that reacts instantly, locks onto a subject without hesitation, and delivers reliable performance when every fraction of a second matters. That is exactly why the rumored Nikon Z90 has generated so much excitement among photographers around the world. According to multiple trusted industry leaks, Nikon is preparing a camera that could finally deliver everything professionals have been requesting ever since the DSLR era reached its peak. The Z90 is widely expected to become the true spiritual successor to the legendary Nikon D500, one of the most respected APS-C cameras ever produced. For nearly a decade, photographers have been asking Nikon to build a flagship crop sensor mirrorless body capable of matching the speed, durability, and autofocus performance of its professional full-frame lineup without forcing users to carry additional size, weight, or expense. The latest rumors suggest Nikon has listened carefully, and the result could redefine expectations for APS-C mirrorless cameras. At the heart of the Z90 is the rumored 33-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. Unlike conventional sensors, stacked sensor technology dramatically increases readout speed, significantly reducing rolling shutter distortion while enabling exceptionally fast burst shooting. This makes a tremendous difference for wildlife, aviation, and sports photography, where even slight distortions can ruin an otherwise perfect image. Fast-moving birds, racing motorcycles, aircraft, and athletes can all be tracked with greater confidence, giving photographers a much higher success rate in demanding situations. Equally exciting is the expected inclusion of Nikon's EXPEED 7 image processor, the same processor found inside flagship cameras like the Nikon Z8 and Z9. This processor has already proven itself capable of delivering world-class autofocus powered by deep learning artificial intelligence. Subject detection for birds, animals, vehicles, airplanes, motorcycles, and people has become one of Nikon's greatest strengths, and bringing that technology into an APS-C body could completely transform the experience for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Instead of simply introducing another mirrorless camera, Nikon appears to be making professional-level autofocus performance more accessible to a much wider audience. Hybrid creators also have plenty of reasons to pay attention. Ever since Nikon acquired RED Digital Cinema, photographers and filmmakers have wondered when RED technology would begin appearing in consumer cameras. Current supply chain rumors indicate that the Z90 may support internal 6K RAW recording using REDCODE RAW, an addition that would dramatically elevate its filmmaking potential. If accurate, this would provide independent filmmakers, documentary producers, and travel creators with access to cinema-quality recording inside a relatively compact and lightweight camera body. Combined with Nikon's improving color science, wide dynamic range, and advanced autofocus, the Z90 could become one of the most attractive hybrid cameras on the market. Although Nikon has remained silent regarding official specifications, the company's recent product launches suggest that the Z90 naturally fits into its current roadmap. Following the successful releases of the Z5II and Z50II, industry analysts believe the next logical step is a flagship DX camera positioned above both models. Current predictions point toward a late 2026 announcement, potentially arriving before the holiday shopping season when professional camera sales traditionally increase. Design leaks indicate that Nikon is adopting what many enthusiasts call the Mini-Z9 philosophy. Rather than producing a lightweight consumer camera, Nikon is expected to build a rugged magnesium alloy body with comprehensive weather sealing, a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, dual memory card slots, and a deep ergonomic grip suitable for extended professional use. Long shooting sessions demand comfort as much as performance, and photographers who spend entire days tracking wildlife or covering sporting events understand how important handling becomes over time. Durability has always been a defining characteristic of Nikon's professional cameras, and the Z90 appears ready to continue that tradition. Speed is another area where the rumored specifications become especially impressive. Reports suggest electronic burst shooting could reach an astonishing 120 frames per second under certain conditions. Such performance allows photographers to capture split-second moments that would otherwise be impossible to record consistently. Whether freezing a falcon's wings during flight, capturing the exact instant a soccer player strikes the ball, or photographing dramatic expressions during competitive sports, extraordinary burst rates dramatically improve the chances of securing the decisive frame. The Nikon Z mount also strengthens the camera's appeal. Nikon has rapidly expanded its lens lineup with premium optics covering nearly every major photographic genre, from ultra-wide landscapes to professional super telephoto wildlife lenses. Existing Z lenses already offer outstanding optical quality, and future firmware improvements continue enhancing overall system performance. Combined with Nikon's growing integration of RED technologies, the Z-mount ecosystem positions the company uniquely against competing APS-C mirrorless systems. The APS-C format itself remains one of the Z90's greatest advantages. Wildlife photographers frequently appreciate the effective 1.5x crop factor because it increases apparent focal length without requiring larger or heavier lenses. A 400 telephoto effectively delivers the field of view of a 600 lens on full frame, providing greater reach while maintaining portability and reducing overall costs. Pairing that advantage with a high-resolution 33-megapixel sensor gives photographers even greater flexibility for cropping during post-processing without sacrificing image quality. Pricing rumors currently place the Nikon Z90 near the $2,000 mark, positioning it competitively within the premium APS-C market. If Nikon manages to combine stacked sensor technology, EXPEED 7 processing, professional autofocus, weather sealing, and advanced 6K RAW video at that price, the camera could significantly disrupt the market and convince many photographers that they no longer require a more expensive full-frame body for their everyday work. Excitement surrounding the Z90 continues building because it appears designed around real professional needs instead of marketing trends. It promises speed, reliability, ruggedness, exceptional autofocus, impressive hybrid video capabilities, and the practical advantages of the DX format that so many photographers still value. While these specifications remain unofficial until Nikon confirms them, the current leaks paint a picture of one of the most ambitious APS-C cameras ever developed. If the rumors prove accurate, the Nikon Z90 will represent far more than another product launch. It will signal Nikon's renewed commitment to professional crop sensor photography, giving wildlife photographers, sports shooters, content creators, and filmmakers an exceptionally capable tool built to perform for years of demanding creative work.